Hello guys, welcome back to Wondershare Recoverit, a robust laptop photo recovery tool which is here to save you from losing your precious captured memories. We know what effort it takes to capture a memorable picture, and it hurts badly if you lose them through accidental deletion. But don't worry friends, even after accidental deletion, it's still possible to get your pictures back. You want to know how? A hard drive photo recovery tool can do the job for you. Other than that, you can also recover them with Recycle Bin or the cloud backup. And this laptop recovery guide will walk you through how to do it. Before proceeding further though, kindly consider subscribing to the channel and turn on the notification to receive future updates. When you delete any file from a hard drive, it moves to the recycle bin, so you can restore it back using these simple steps. Open the recycle bin on your laptop, find the deleted photos and right-click on them. From the given options, select Restore. Now the deleted photos will be restored automatically to their original location. Another way of recovering deleted photos from a laptop for free is through cloud storage. If you keep a regular backup of your Windows, then simply open the backup and restore in the settings, and there you will find your backup files. Go through the Restore Wizard instructions to get your files back. If these methods haven't worked for you so far, why not try a laptop photo recovery specialist like Wondershare Recoverit? It's effective and robust laptop recovery software for Windows and Mac. With a smart scanning algorithm and capability of restoring over 1,000 file types, it's earned the trust of millions of users around the world. It's entirely safe to use and works in more than 500 scenarios to recover deleted files. Wondershare Recoverit offers the highest success rate for recovering data. It effectively and efficiently restores files no matter if you've lost them due to accidental deletion, a virus, malware attack, or even data corruption. The tool offers support for recovering all major file types, be it photos, videos, documents, and even more. And you need no technical know-how in order to operate Wondershare Recoverit. Even a novice user can make use of it very easily. Download and install the Recoverit software on your laptop, launch it, and you will see a list of your disk drives. Select the location from where the deleted photos were. If you've emptied your recycle bin, then select the recycle bin under the Select Location tab. Recoverit will now initiate the scanning for all deleted files on that selected drive. After the scanning process completes, you should check any files that you want to recover and hit the Recover button to restore your photos. Make sure you save them to a different location or keep them as a backup on cloud. If you don't want to lose your pictures again, it's necessary to be proactive. So now that we've gone through the ways of restoring deleted photos, here's some tips to avoid the same dilemma happening in the future. Firstly, it's good to get into the habit of backing up your data because you never know when it can go wrong. Either have a cloud backup or store them on another storage device that you can then access and retrieve later. Virus attacks are actually one of the most common reasons behind unexpected data loss on a laptop. Don't take this fact lightly. You must install reliable antivirus software in order to prevent cyber attacks. And don't be in a hurry when you're working on your laptop. Your fast moves can inadvertently put your important files in the recycle bin, and if you then empty it by chance, the only way to restore the files back is with the likes of Wondershare Recoverit. So work wisely when deleting files. Losing your valuable pictures is a tragic thing to happen. However, you are on the safe side if you follow these instructions that we've talked about. In the end though, don't panic when such things happen because Wondershare Recoverit is there to help rescue your pictures. The next time you make the same mistake, you know what to do. Always keep a backup to save your time having to recover them later. We hope you've liked this video. Please leave a comment to show your appreciation and be sure to stay connected with our channel for more helpful videos by pressing the subscribe button.